Hi guys, Outbyte team here. In this video, we will show you how to restore a driver back to its previous version. Despite our driver updater using only official utilities, sometimes certain drivers might be incompatible with your particular system. That's why we've included a backup and restore feature in the tools section of our app, so you always have an option to revert back the changes. Before updating any drivers, Outbyte creates two backups. One of the driver that is about to be updated, and another one is Windows System Restore Point. It is unlikely that you will have to do a system restore, but nonetheless, we ask Windows to create one. You can also create a backup of any driver of your choice from the backup menu. To restore your updated driver, click on Restore in the top left corner. Find the backup you want to restore. Here you have two options. To simultaneously revert back all drivers you have updated, check the box next to the backup date, as shown in the video. Now to restore an individual driver, double-click on the backup name and select the driver you want to restore by checking the box next to it. You can select multiple drivers as well. When done, click on Restore Backups. The program will ask you to forward the log files for analysis. It's up to you whether you would like to share your experience with us or not. This data is completely anonymous and won't be identified with your device. Wait for the program to finish the restore process and restart your PC afterward. That's it, your driver is back to its original state. Hope this video helped. Let us know in the comments how it worked for you.